We are almost at the end of 2024 and 2025 is knocking at the door. As a digital marketing trainer, I have observed that many people ignore SEO or search engine optimization. They think AI is the competitor of search engine optimization, but that's quite wrong. Today in this video, I am going to disclose about search engine optimization strategy for 2025. This video is mainly for the beginners and intermediate students. If you are an SEO professional and if you have decent experience in search engine optimization, you can skip this video. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Shobhan Ghoshal, your digital marketing trainer, and you are watching your channel Biva Technologies. So without delay, let's jump into the computer screen. This is a comprehensive guide of search engine optimization strategy in 2025 and you can say beyond. This is me. Okay, let's come to the most important and most relevant one, and that is EEAT optimization. What's that? Google has introduced EEAT few months ago. You can say about a year ago. And the EEAT stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. The experience matters, expertise showcases, authoritativeness, values, and trustworthiness makes you a brand. Here, you have to showcase expertise by consistently publishing high quality content. You have to focus on this particular word, that is the high quality content. It may be written by artificial intelligence and moderated by a human, or it may be written by a human and moderated by an artificial intelligence. It doesn't matter. But the thing is, you have to focus, you have to concentrate on creating quality content and high quality content. Okay. Number two, build trust with robust author bios, SSL certificate for security, and clear privacy policies, that you are not stealing someone's information, kind of that. And the author bios help you to establish you as an expert. That is your expertise. Hope you can understand. And that is also the authoritativeness as well. Next, leverage first-hand experience in case studies, testimonials, and reviews. Today people trust us according to reviews. It may be positive reviews, it may be negative reviews, whatever it is, but also the reviews help your business to rank. If you work well, if your business deals with productive things, with positive things, you will get positive reviews. It's a common thing. And if you are not dealing that well, you will get negative reviews. But you have to focus on case studies. That is very important. Getting review is quite easy, but creating a case study basis on a real problem solving is quite challenging. So you have to concentrate on case studies. You have to write this type of contents for your website or in your website about your business, or about the goal of your business, about the execution of your business, whatever it is. Testimonials. As a digital marketing trainer, I know the testimonials matter, because when students recognize me, when students uh, ask someone about, or when students recommend me in this way, that they have achieved something, they have got something, so that matters a lot. So the testimonials is also a great factor in 2025 in search engine optimization. Let me share you one fact, and that is Google and other search engines, not only search engine but also social media, they are planning to deliver the real things. They are not going to deliver uh, non-real or unreal things. That means when all these things have human touch, means a real student give a testimonial to me, it matters and it helps in ranking. So this is the first focus. You have to focus on EEAT optimization. Not you know just what is EEAT? No, not like that. You have to optimize your content. You have to optimize your website. You have to optimize your business. You have to optimize your business goal. You have to optimize your mission, vision according to EEAT parameters. Next, you have to work on search intent and content personalization. Artificial intelligence helps in personalization. That is the main motto of artificial intelligence. So you have to understand search intent first, then you have to map user intent for each and every keyword. It's very important because keyword research is one of the most important part in search engine optimization, and it will be there are various types of keywords, informational keywords, navigational keywords, transactional and commercial keywords. There are lots of keywords. Negative keywords is also there. Keywords are also there. NLP keywords are there. There are lots of types of keywords. Long tail keywords, and the keyword is almost everything in search engine optimization. But you have to understand, you have to make a map, you have to design your website according to user intent and the product you are delivering and the service you are delivering and the offer you are offering. Hope you can understand. Hyper personalized content, that's very important. Create tailored content for niche audience. This is very important. Niche audience, you can get quality traffic to your niche websites instead of getting huge traffic to a news website. So you have to focus on your niche. You have to work on what your niche audience want, and you have to create content. You have to deliver. You have to research your keywords, and you have to map them according to niche audience intent or their persona. That is called the persona. The persona is one of the most important factor in 2025 in search engine optimization. Next, AI enhanced content creation. You know what I mean to say. You can use AI as a tool. You can use AI for for an outline creation. You can use AI for basic research. You can use AI for summarization. There are lots of factors. And also, suppose as a digital marketing trainer, I think I don't know who is doing the same thing which I am doing. AI can help you to find those person. That means the competitor analysis as well. And at the same time, use various tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Wrightstone. There are lots of tools are available. Use AI for content gap analysis, that is most important. And trend prediction is also very crucial. You cannot go beyond trend, or you cannot always follow the trend, but you can predict what to do according to your business model. Suppose you are selling winter collection, so you have to follow the trend. You have to follow the seasonal trend. You are offering, you are a travel agent, you are offering tours, so you cannot bring people to the same place always. It's not possible. It's according to people's trend. You have to work on that. And focusing on user satisfaction, that is also important. And ensure content quality with a human touch to avoid AI generated penalties. Today AI has some limitations, and AI will have also. So you have to work on that. Visual SEO or video SEO is very important today. You are watching YouTube. Almost we are watching YouTubes for everything. Almost. So you have to optimize videos for both Google search and YouTube search. You have to use titles, descriptions, transcripts, and other things to make your visual SEO visible. and use schema markup for video content, leverage long form video platforms like you know long form like YouTube, and short form like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikToks, and others. Okay. Next, I will come to you about one of the most important part, and that is the advanced technical search engine optimization. You have to focus on core web vitals like LCP, FID, and CLS scores. These are very important. Later, I will disclose all these things. Mobile first indexing. Your website must be mobile first. Structured data, schema markups like FAQ, how to, product schema, and other things you can definitely understand. Web accessibility, incorporate accessibility guidelines like WCAG to serve as a broader audience. It is very important, and these are not new, these are almost old, and we all use all these things. Almost today every website is mobile friendly, or mobile first indexing facilities are there. Almost we follow core web vitals, almost we use structured data schema markup like FAQ and others, almost we incorporate accessibility guidelines. All these things we almost do. Now the voice and visual search optimization, that is most important today. Optimize content for voice queries. People are using smart gadgets like Alexa, Siri, Google, and other platforms. Their voice queries matter when people search. We use Google Lens for visual search. Just circle something and then we search it, and Google will give you the answer. So you have to focus on using all text and meta description according to that. Local SEO is very important, and you have to not only create business profile, but also you have to optimize your Google business profile. You have to add content, you have to post almost daily updates, and you have to ask for reviews, get reviews, more reviews. Okay, focus on hyper local content, that is for near me searches. Suppose I am teaching, I am a digital marketing trainer, and I am a digital marketing trainer in my place, it's in West Bengal. So I have to rank mostly for the near me searches, and I have to work to rank myself. Hope you can understand. Integrate local citations and backlinks for the authority. First party data utilization. First party data utilization is nothing but also it is just you have done it, you have used it before. These are the emails and personal emails, behavior patterns, what people where from people come to you, this type of things. And use various CRM tools like Zoho, like MailChimp, like HubSpot. There are lots of tools that are available, and personalized marketing strategies based on collected insights. What is this? Actually, you have seen that in Google ad, in Facebook ad, there is a retargeting and remarketing section. Kind of retargeting and remarketing. This is very close to this. Next, I will come to you about interactive and engaging content. That is the most important thing, because the content is everything. In 2025, 2026 and beyond, content will be everything, because people can come to your website for the content. It may be a product, it may be a service, whatever it is, but it is the content. So you have to create quizzes, polls, calculators and tools to keep user engaged. That is a good practice. You can use some segments, you can use some elements in your website where people come and stay some time and to do some practices, and then repeatedly visit the website. That is very important. So these may be the options. Next, use gamification techniques to increase session duration. You can understand there are some gamifications, some activities which people like and which people use. Then the sustainability and green SEO. It's nothing new, it's almost there. Optimize your websites for energy efficiency, faster loading, fewer HTTP requests, which is very similar to the core web vitals. Highlight eco-friendly practices in content to align with user values. It's nothing, just Google's few policies like core web vital, structured data, schema markup, all these things in a new way, new format. Next, advanced link building. You have to earn backlinks through various partnerships, guest bloggings, and content syndication. You can understand what I mean to say. Use Haro, help a reporter out for authoritative backlinks. So that's why your authoritativeness through author bio may help you here. Yes, the multilingual SEO, because SEO is not single language, single lingual today, or single language based on single language today. There are lots of other languages are used. Various big brands are uses their business in various countries, and if you are doing SEO for them, you have to focus on the multilingual SEO. Use hreflang tags to target global audience effectively. Localize content beyond more. Okay, but before that, you know, today people love to consume content in their own language or in their comfortable language. Have you observed it? And in many cases, you can find some videos or some contents translated into your language. It is possible today, and that's why the multilingual SEO may work. Localize content beyond more translation. You have to understand that you have to create content for the uh, localized customers, localized people, for the domestic people, instead of translating the content into their language. You know, analytics and real-time adjustments are very important. You have to integrate GA4, Google Analytics 4, and to track user behavior, ROI, and other parameters, and employ heat maps and session replays for insights into user experience. That is very important, and these are the most important search engine optimization guideline for you in 2025 and beyond. But let me say one thing: don't think that all the things are new. Everything is there. Everything is there. Everything was there. So you have to focus on what you are doing, but do not spam. Do not spam. Just think, do not use any black hat methods. Do not use more backlinks to rank your website. Just you have to create content. You have to ask people about their opinion. You have to focus on delivering quality. These are the most crucial parts today to rank your business. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button, share it, and do some comment. I am there to guide you. Thank you.